feet of Jesus, I would look upon the past, for His love has been so gracious. It has won my heart at last. Sitting at the feet of Jesus, where can mortals be more blessed? There I lay my sins and sorrows, and when weary find sweet rest, sitting at the feet of Jesus, there I love to weep and pray, while I from His fullness gather grace and comfort every day. Bless me, oh my Savior, bless me, as I sit low at Thy feet. Oh, look down in love upon me. Let me see Thy face so sweet. Give me, Lord, the mind of Jesus. Make me holy as He is. May I prove I bear with Jesus, who is all my righteousness. He is all my righteousness. Oh, He is all my righteousness.